Hello everyone and mummies, we're gonna do a simple and delicious potato salad. Here's the ingredients. Starting out, to boil our potato and eggs. We're gonna start preparing our dressing. So after we season it, we're gonna add our sliced celery and onions, and also our sliced pickles or pickle relish. We're gonna do a lot of mixing in this recipe, so we're just gonna mix it all until it's all incorporated.
This.
Thank you for watching. Please follow and share if you like the recipe. Bye!